YouTube? Ender Archer here, and I'm with my best friend Max, Tomahawk0552. You may have seen him in my previous video. Yeah, you can go check that out. And today we are going to be shooting the targets over there.
Over there, there are little walnuts on the table, and we will be using these guns right here. Check the whole thing out, Colt. And this is Joe's little brother, Coltman. Yeah.
He's going to be our cameraman for today.
Now,
and
Colton, hold the camera, if you would.
we are ready to start.
Yeah, we're ready to start. Okay.
Over there.
Point the camera.
Look, here's an easy way for you to cock it, because you're moving all around everywhere, okay? I don't want you swinging the gun all the way around like that. You need to keep the gun right where it is. You can put it right there. It's not in the dirt.
Okay.
My hammer is on the table.
Okay. Okay.
There's plenty of pieces. I'll give it to you in a second.
Alright.
There's no piece of it. You got a piece of it.
Yep.
Yeah, baby. There you go.
God, these things are hard to shoot.
Yeah, it's actually better if you hold it like this, because then the BBs will load. So put it right in your hip. Hold that solid. There you go.
These things are really hard to shoot.
I'm going to take this piece of leather off, because it's pain in the butt.
Yes!
Smacked them pretty good, did you?
Ender Archer has his second hit. Third hit.
Good shot, man.
And crap.
Okay. Colton, put the camera down.
Huh?
Point the camera down. Okay.
Alright.
And I got 3 shots.
Let me try one more time. Go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yes! And Tomahawk has
One shot. Yeah. Okay. Now, shall we keep going?
or shall we end it?
Jump.
You shall end it.
No. Let's keep going, man.
That's not my style. Pretty soon, as soon as I get Minecraft YouTube, I will, well, as soon as I get Minecraft back on my Xbox, you'll see what I have done in my Empire.
Yeah, Empire.
And fourth shot.
We're gonna play modded cops and robbers.
No, we don't even have mods.
Oh yeah.
As soon as Tomahawk masters it.
Well, later today, my
Yeah.
one video.
I hope you guys are gonna smack that like button.
Sit on that table, baby.
Yeah.
It'll break.
Also, go ahead and shoot that like button down below, and also subscribe to the Empire.
Yeah, it's cool.
Ricochet.
This is getting pretty easy now.
I could hit that bug spray bottle out there, but don't.
Yeah. Okay.
When are we're gonna be over?
Colton?
Huh?
Over's not yet.
Okay,
Huh?
Cole. Yes, Cole. pointed at us.
All right, one more shot. One more
Okay.
shot. Okay.
One more. Go. First one to. Okay, now pointed at us. First 1 to 10 hits on a walnut wins.
Okay.
So it's 5 to 1 or 2.
5 to 2.
It seems Under Archer, the long-range master, is winning.
Yes. 3 shots. Bam.
So now it's 5 to 3. And you're going to see me some pro sniping creepers once I get my Minecraft back. And also send friend requests to me on Xbox if you do.
You need to hold your breath. Call of Duty style, huh? Oh, nice one, Jack.
6 shots. So it's 6 to 3.
Oh, I hit the middle thing.
What should be our starting thing?
What starting thing?
The starting picture that always comes up before the video.
Oh. Yeah,
We don't know how to do those.
yeah. Yes! 4 shots.
Dude, I hit the same walnut.
Both of us hit at the same
So-
time. You left.
6 to 4
6
with a double shot.
Yeah. Double shot.
Well, it's 7 to 4. That would be my 7th one. Oh my god, these are hard to shoot.
No, they're hard to cock, dang it.
It's starting to be over. I see the numbers counting.
Cool, the numbers are counting up on how long the video is.
Okay. Actually, the first one's a 10 shot. Look at that BB fly. Haha.
To just make it a little bit funny, I'm going to show you my foot.
No.
I did.
No. Colton, we don't need that. We don't need to see a little boy. No. Stop.
I don't want to hold this.
Well, cool. First 1 to 10 wins.
And he's at 7.
Well, this is the only video where we'll ask you to be our cameraman until in the future.
What is the future going to be like?
You got to scoot back. Buddy, you got that gun pointed right at his head when you're doing that all low like that. It's really no joke. You really got to
So
be careful.
it's 8 to 4.
8 to 4.
I don't want to hold this camera.
Okay. Let's end the video here, bro.
Turn it off.
So
Okay.
9 to 4. And
Should I press the button?
Okay.
Your engine.
yes,
10 to 4.
I
Okay.
win.
Press
Now,
the
put
button.
the camera towards us. Put the
Ender
camera-
Archer, the long-range master, has won.
Yeah. I kind of suck at it right now. Huh?
In the future, we might do some cops and robbers. I might make some other mini games. And
Maybe we
if
can
my-
do some more PB.
And if you look up Jade Does Minecraft, he pranks me.
Yeah. Sucks. We just found that out.
And we might do some cops and robbers with him or some other mini games.
Yeah.
If he does come back online. So, and also subscribe to him and Tomahawk here.
Yep. Tomahawk0552 peeps.
And my name is Ender Archer 11 and
Peace
goodbye.
out.
Hit it.